Welcome! In this lesson, you'll learn the 100 most common English irregular verbs. We'll study all three forms, V1, base form, V2, past simple, and V3, past participle. Let's get started. 1. Be. Was, were. Been. 2. Have. Had. 3. Do. Did. Done. 4. Say. Said. 5. Get. Got. Gotten. 6. Make. Made. 7. Go. Went. Gone. 8. Know. Knew. Known. 9. Think. Thought. 10. Take. Took. Taken. 11. See. Saw. Seen. 12. Come. Came. Come. 13. Give. Gave. Given. 14. Find. Found. 15. Tell. Told. 16. Become. Became. 17. Show. Showed. Shown. 18. Leave. Left. 19. Feel. Felt. 20. Put. 21. Bring. Brought. 22. Begin. Began. Begun. 23. Keep. Kept. 24. Hold. Held. 25. Write. Wrote. Written. 26. Stand. Stood. 27. Hear. Heard. 28. Let. 29. Mean. Meant. 30. Set. 31. Meet. Met. 32. Run. Ran. 33. Pay. Paid. 34. Sit. Sat. 35. Speak. Spoke. Spoken. 36. Lie. Lay. Lane. 37. Lead. 38. Read. Read. 39. grow, grew, grown. 40. Lose, lost, lost. 41. Fall, fell, fallen. 42. Send, sent, sent. 43. Build, built, built. 44. Understand, understood, understood. 45. Draw, drew, drawn. 46. Break, broke, broken. 47. Spend, spent, spent. 48. Cut, cut, cut. 49. Rise, rose, risen. 50. Drive, drove, driven. 51. Buy, bought, bought. 52. Wear, wore, worn. 53. Choose, chose, chosen. 54. Eat, ate, eaten. 55. Drink, drank, drunk. 56. Sleep, slept, slept. 57. Wake, woke, woken. 58. Sell, sold, sold. 59. Teach, taught, taught. 60. Learn, learned or learnt, learned or learnt. 61. Win, won, won. 62. Catch, caught, caught. 63. Throw, threw, thrown. 64. Forget, forgot, forgotten. 65. Forgive, forgave, forgiven. 66. Fly, flew, flown. 67. Swim, swam, swum. 68. Sing, sang, sung. 69. Ring, rang, rung. 70. Shake, shook, shaken. 71. Hide, hid, hidden. 72. Hit, hit, hit. 73. Hurt, hurt, hurt. 74. Cost, cost, cost. 75. Lend, lent, lent. 76. Borrow, borrowed, borrowed. 77. Feed, fed, fed. 78. Fight, fought, fought. 79. Shoot, shot, shot. 80. Stick, stuck, stuck. 81. Blow, blew, blown. 82. Burn, burned or burnt, burned or burnt. 83. Dig, dug, dug. 84. Dream, dreamed or dreamt, dreamed or dreamt. 85. Hang, hung, hung. 86. Kneel, knelt, knelt. 87. Ride, rode, ridden. 88. Steal, stole, stolen. 89. Sweep, swept, swept. 90. Tear, tore, torn. 91. Freeze, froze, frozen. 92. Deal, dealt, dealt. 93. Quit, quit, quit. 94. Prove, proved, proven or proved. 95. Seek, sought, sought. 96. Spread, spread, spread. 97. Light, lit or lighted, lit or lighted. 98. Spill, spilled or spilt, spilled or spilt. 99. Spell, spelled slash spelt, spelled slash spelt. 100. Become, became, become. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lessons.